Officer Cortez is a seasoned officer who's been around a little while, and what's refreshing about that is he's still out there every evening doing police work, whether it's DUI arrests or drug arrests or just simply running calls in the Silver Spring district. He stays very active, and it's really when we were deciding, of all the officers in Silver Spring for 2019, who really stood out. Officer Cortez was just consistently a hardworking individual that displayed every month just a work product that not only made the community safer, but he showed efforts of engaging the community. He, in fact, led the district, the 3rd District, in DUI enforcement, and in 2019 wrote over 700 citations for traffic offenses, which makes our streets safer. And makes our community a lot safer place as well. And so I'm really proud of the efforts that Officer Cortez displayed throughout the entire year of 2019, and that continues as he moves through his career.